Let's talk about the weather. Now, Kristen, you told us this would be the picture-perfect day. Not too hot, just right. It is 74 degrees out there. This was a perfect day.
Isn't that like the magic number, I think, around here?
Yeah, 74,
you know,
75.
and the blue sky, but it's all about to change. Today's like the transition day, so tomorrow, big changes ahead. In fact, we'll see rain moving in a matter of just a couple of hours here in the Portland metro area and for the valley. But right now is the time to enjoy. We're in the low to mid 70s all up and down I-5. We even got a little burst of spring and some warmer temperatures for the coast today, with temperatures there 5 to 10 degrees warmer than yesterday. A low to mid 60s from Astoria down through Cannon Beach and even all the way down to Lincoln City and Newport. Central Oregon in the low 70s today, and then in the low to mid 70s back towards Hood River and the Dalles, where cloud cover has been steadily increasing. Here's what it looks like out there right now in Portland, and you can see the clouds are moving in, so we're starting to say goodbye to that sunshine, and we will say goodbye to it for a while as we're gearing up for the next system. You can see the low just turning off the coast here, but it is already starting to bring this front, and it's moving in from the south, and you can see showers have already started to push in across parts of the coast range. So we're pretty dry in the valley at this point, but we are going to eventually see these showers develop across the valley too as we head through later this evening. So scattered showers right now from just southeast of Lincoln City, trying to push into the Lincoln City area, all of that drifting from south to north. Here's how it pans out for your evening. As we go through 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock, more showers developing to our south, and by the time we get to between 7 and 8, this is at 8:30 here. You can see showers have already developed all along I-5 from Eugene up towards Salem, Portland, even all the way up towards Vancouver and Battleground. And then we'll continue to see showers move in over and over as we head through the overnight hours. So the wet weather is around the corner. It's moving in, and it'll be here when we wake up tomorrow morning too, and it kicks off a big change for us temperature-wise as well. Take a look at this time lapse from our Skamania Lodge camera. We started off with the sunshine, a beautiful sunrise, and then the clouds have just been steadily creeping in, and that's kind of been the case too for the metro and the valley. So we'll wake up tomorrow morning 6 a.m. and we will have showers likely around. So go ahead and plan to allow for a few extra minutes for that commute tomorrow morning because it will be wet out there on the roads. Then we get to the afternoon. We'll find a few sun breaks and we'll see showers on and off, but we'll find some dry time in between. So it'll be one of those days where you have just a few pop-up showers. Same thing back towards the gorge. The Cascades will get mainly rain tomorrow, but by the time we finish up tomorrow, we'll start to see those snow levels drop, and we'll try to get some snow going for the higher elevations for places like Timberline and up near Timberline and Mount Hood Meadows. 7 o'clock on Saturday morning, we'll have a few light showers around. Saturday starts off fairly dry. It'll be mainly cloudy, but just some spotty light rain. But it finishes a lot wetter. We have another front moving through Saturday night, and so Saturday evening, those Saturday night plans could be a little wet at times, and then Sunday brings in the wetter of the 2 days this weekend, and it's going to bring in a big cool down too, where highs will struggle to get out of the 50s. So this cool down started today, but it really starts tomorrow. Here's a breakdown for Portland. We'll start off with showers around at times mid 50s, and then we're talking highs tomorrow only in the low to mid 60s with on and off showers for a lot of the day. Your forecast for the coast, highs in the low 60s with showers at times. It'll be a little cooler tomorrow. Southwest winds pick up through the afternoon, gusting at times up near 30. Friday morning, though, the winds should be pretty light. It'll be in the afternoon that the winds really start to pick up. I-5, highs in the low 60s, much cooler tomorrow, obviously, and then showers on and off for a lot of the day. Central and Eastern Oregon, the cool down continues for you too, with highs in the upper 50s and low 60s, mostly cloudy skies, and we'll have to watch for showers and even occasionally a few thunderstorms popping up, especially across the higher terrain. For the gorge, showers, and then looking at winds picking up out of the west at 10 to 20. We'll try to pick up 1/10 of an inch, and maybe in some of the heavier showers up to 2/10 of an inch of rain possible. And then for the Cascade showers, rain starting off with at snow levels at 7,000 feet, and then it drops to about 5,000 feet by tomorrow night. Your forecast for Saturday around the area, wet again, mainly light rain at times, upper 50s and low 60s. Central and Eastern Oregon, highs in the low 60s, and then Sunday, temperatures really drop back to the low to mid 50s with wetter weather moving in, and the winds will pick up Sunday too. It's going to be blustery for all of us on Sunday. So your 7-day forecast showing the changes by the 70s, by to the 80s, by to the 90s. It's back to the 60s and even 50s at times as we head into next week.
Okay, you know what? We tell the folks who have been visiting the last few days, don't worry, our normal sunny April weather will return in just a few days.
Exactly, yeah. Sure. Not going to happen.
No. Thanks. Well, still